Hello everyone, as you can see, I have a bag of bricks in front of me, and no, these are not actually Legos, they are knockoffs, so we're just going to call them bricks and nothing else. But this is actually, as you probably saw from the description, this is BD-1 from Jedi Fallen Order. I've been looking for a BD-1 for a while, haven't been able to find them, but I did see the knockoff on Amazon, so I thought I would give it a try. As you can see, this is how it came. It didn't even come with instructions. You have to scan this for instructions. So if you want to do it, there it is. Basically, it takes you to a PDF that you can test out, that you can download and follow along. I'm kind of old school. I went ahead and printed it out. So what we're going to do today is we're going to put together BD-1. I'm going to go ahead and put it together at 15 times speed for you, so that way you can enjoy it and you're not going to be sitting through like an hour-long video. If you have any questions as I'm going along, make sure to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and we're going to go ahead and get started. All right. Well, that took a lot longer than I was expecting it to take. It's probably about maybe 2 hours, maybe. I don't know. I'm used to create using Lego kits that have numbers on bags that actually mean things. I think. Let's see if it says anything. Yeah. The numbered bags have no bearing on order of build. Please just follow the instruction to build your set. If you have questions, just feel free to contact us. Well, I'm going to tell you this. The bag numbers meant nothing, as it said. I'm just used to having them meaning something more than they actually did in this case. So the hardest part was just finding the pieces. And then following the instructions as well. You know, I thought these were decent instructions, and some of them are. The other ones, they make you infer a lot of information. Anyways, the kit itself, like I said, was under 30 bucks. So, I mean, equivalent with an actual Lego, it'd be at least double that price. So, I'm happy with what I got. I like the way that it looks. I wish it was just a little bit bigger, but I mean, it's super cool. As far as leftover pieces, obviously this guy was left, and then those three. That's it. The other thing I'll say is that this is hard to get to keep standing up. So I'd be very careful moving them around. But that being said, it's a super cool looking BD-1. I might consider doing a few other kits from the same manufacturer, only because the pricing on it it's pretty decent. I mean, it really is. So anyways, I just thought I'd share this with you guys. If you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. Actually, what I'll do now is I'll go ahead and insert some information from Amazon right about now. So with that information from Amazon, gives you a little bit more detail as far as how to get it. I'll leave a link down in the description if you are interested in learning more about it. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Have any questions, ask down below. If you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting. Obviously, we do Lego, mostly, or bricks. Let me correct myself. If it is Lego, it's probably, or bricks, it's probably going to be Star Wars related. That's typically where I gravitate towards. But we also do other things as well, like going to theme parks, Star Wars The Black Series, basically anything a professional geek might find interesting. With that being said, have a great day.